Temporary files on Windows help the operating system do its job. Occasionally, these files can become corrupted or get so large that they interfere with the performance of your computer. In this video, we will show you how to clear cache from Windows 10 using 7 methods. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Those are the methods that we are going to talk about. This is the easiest option you can use to clear cache on your Windows 10 computer. CCleaner will help you do this with just simply 3 steps. Step 1. Download and install CCleaner and launch it. Step 2. Run CCleaner, then click on Analyze. Step 3. After it will analyze, finally click on Run Cleaner and click Continue. After that, CCleaner will remove all the cache files stored on your Windows 10 computer. You can clear cache or remove temporary files in your Windows using Temp folder. Step 1. Navigate to Start menu and find and type %temp% and hit Enter. Step 2. When folder is open, choose All Files and Folder by pressing Ctrl+ and again press Shift Deleted. Step 3. Wait for the deleting process to be complete. That's it. Let's move to third method. You can also use the Disk Cleanup utility to remove cache or temporary files. Here's how to use Disk Cleanup for cache clear. Step 1. Go to Start menu, search, and type Disk Cleanup and open it. Step 2. On the Disk Cleanup window, select your desired cache files you want to clean and click on Clean Up System Files. Step 3. Click Yes on the pop-up screen and finally click Delete Files on new screen. Now wait for the Disk Cleanup utility to clean the files. Windows Store create temporary files when you're downloading apps. To clear the Windows Store cache, follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open Run dialog box using Win+R key and type wsreset.exe and press Enter on your keyboard. Step 2. Wait for the process to be complete. When process complete, the Microsoft Store window will appear. That's how you can clear the Windows Store cache. Your Chrome, Safari, Mozilla browser also create cache files when you're surfing the internet. To clear browser cache, follow the steps below. Step 1. Open the particular browser are you using and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete keys on your keyboard at the same time. Step 2. Select all time or everything for time range. Make sure cache or cached images and files is selected, and then click the Clear Data button. Another way is to clear your location history cache. To do this, open Settings app by clicking its icon in Start menu or pressing Windows logo +I keyboard shortcut. Click on Privacy and select Location from the list on the left side. Scroll down to the Location History section. Click the Clear button under Clear History on this device. The last method is to clear DNS cache. The DNS cache stores the IP addresses of web servers that contain web pages which you have recently viewed. Type CMD in Windows search box and run command prompt as admin. In CMD Windows, type the following command ipconfig/flushdance. While clearing cache, you may delete or lose some of important data from your system. In that case, Tenorshare 4DDig will help you out to recover deleted data from computers. 4DDig is a professional data recovery software that can recover 1,000 plus data types including photos, videos, documents, and more with simply 3 steps. To recover data with 4DDig, download and install the program on your system. Launch the software, select the location where you lost data, and then click Start to proceed. Then select the target file type to scan. Now, 4DDig will start scanning the selected drive to find the lost or deleted data. After the scanning, you can choose files to preview and then click Recover to save them to a different partition. Hopefully the methods above help you clear the cache on your Windows PC. If you lost data during clearing cache, just try Tenorshare 4DDig. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.